Good morning, everyone. We have some really interesting major news that's coming out right now. This is from clearjunction.com. And this post here on their website is titled, Ripple partners with ClearJunction to enhance UK and EU cross-border payments. And it begins as such. Today, Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, announced a new partnership with ClearJunction, the global leader in cross-border payment solutions for regulated institutions. The partnership will see ClearJunction facilitating instant and secure GBP and Euro denominated payout coverage for Ripple Payments customers. A host of new currencies are scheduled to be switched on for Ripple customers later this year. Listen, this is huge. This is big news. If this doesn't get people excited, I don't know what will. Once again, please smash that like button. I would appreciate that. Let's continue on here. Quote, ClearJunction is a great fit for Ripple, unquote, said Cassie Craddock, Managing Director Europe at Ripple. Quote, from the word go, it was able to support all of our use cases, including providing GBP and Euro payout coverage for our clients, sending payments into the UK and European Union. ClearJunction already has strong relationships with a number of our existing clients, and its management team has many years of experience in cross-border payments and banking. We are excited to bring ClearJunction into our network, and we see this as merely the start of our relationship, unquote. Now, once again, this is the UK and the European Union. And I knew something was coming because Ripple has a great relationship in the UK with especially the Bank of England. Remember, Quant was working with the Bank of England, but there was an article that came out a few months back that we covered here on the channel. And it was about Quant as well as Ripple working with the Bank of England. But I think on Ripple's end, I believe that they were advising them, maybe. Am I getting that correct? I know a lot of people out there probably know it, remember it better than I do. But I knew from that moment. And then they worked on some projects that they were testing out in the past. I'm not sure what happened with those things, but they've always had a good relationship there. But this connection here with the European Union, especially with MiCA legislation going to really pick up steam, I think, towards the end of this year. We'll see how that works out. I don't have a crystal ball. But this could be major. This could be something really good. So now let's continue on here. It says, as an FCA authorized e-money institution in the UK, ClearJunction's operational strengths give its partners the reassurance that their funds are secure and protected by necessary payment industry and data security safeguards. ClearJunction gained ISO 27001 certification, the highest global data security standard that businesses can achieve, as further evidence to the operational security principles it is committed to. All right, so now there was something else I was going to say. I can't remember what it was. Sometimes things just slip my mind. My apologies, everyone. I hope you're having a great morning. Hope you're having a good morning. You feel better today than you did yesterday. I'm trying to do the same. It continues on. Quote, at ClearJunction, we work tirelessly to identify new commercial opportunities to enable us to enhance our existing offering across the fiat and cryptocurrency domains, unquote, said Dima Katz, founder and CEO at ClearJunction. Oh, so that's what I want to say. Once again, I was saying this in the last few videos. You see how so many things are happening right now? I just don't see that as being coincidence. Cause and effect. Coincidence is simply cause and effect unrecognized. That's all it is. This is happening for a reason. We have another update from one of our original coins that we used to speak about. A lot of things I don't speak about all the time. I'm still bullish on them. Iota. All right. So now we have this article here. Iota kickstarts EVM targeting DeFi, real world assets. The EVM will let developers build applications with smart contracts that run on the Iota network. Iota launched its Layer 2 Ethereum virtual machine network, focusing on real world asset usage and introducing new functionalities to the Iota ecosystem. The Layer 2 network has a focus on bringing real world assets on chain, with a particular focus on the tokenization of physical assets and features built-in protections against transaction ordering and the MEV. Blockchain network Iota has started its Layer 2 Ethereum virtual machine network with a focus on real-world asset usage. The developers shared with CoinDesk over email. Tuesday's launch introduced functionality such as smart contracts, cross-chain capabilities, parallel processing, and security against maximal extractable value into the Iota ecosystem, boosting the fundamentals of the Iota token. Yeah, I mean, listen, Iota has sounded and looked bullish for quite some time. There are a lot of these coins that I believe the main catalyst right now, there's two main catalysts. For some of the utility coins is going to be the ending of the Ripple case will be a major catalyst. So finally they could serve their purpose. Some of them haven't been able to do that. That's one. Two, obviously, is the Bitcoin bull run. When it really pops off, everything rises in the Bitcoin bull run. Everything. That's how XLM rose the last time. Sure, it has all the great use cases in the world, but it exploded last time in 2021 because of Bitcoin going off. Bitcoin goes up, then XRP goes up, XLM goes up. So Bitcoin is a major, major catalyst that I'm watching very, very closely. But I think Iota is another one. It says the layer 2. Okay, so let's scroll down here. It says, quote, "We are positioning Iota to bring the real world to Web3 and help to bring trillions." Everybody's saying trillions of assets. And they're saying bring, which means they haven't been able to do it yet. So then you have to ask, why haven't they been able to do it yet? And when will they be able to do it in the future? So these are coming in the future. These are long, not short term. A lot of people are thinking short term. That's perfectly fine, but don't project that on me. I've always been long term holder, long term believer, because I know how long these types of things take. To each his own, respectfully. It says, quote, "With the establishment of the, quote, we have adopted our technology stack specifically to adapt to the needs of institutional investors, including our on-chain KYC project to identify investors and enable institutional DeFi trading pools and the MEV resistance of our network to protect investors and meet regulatory compliance," unquote, he said. He added, MEV is a predatory way for network validators to extract fees by rearranging and reordering transactions waiting to be added to the blockchain. The Iota EVM claims to have a built-in feature to prevent transaction ordering, which helps avoid extracting value from the fees users pay to use the network. All right, so Iota is looking solid, looking good in my humble opinion. Now, let's move on to this little bit of news here. So now we're going to do a little bit of Chainlink news. You should already know I'm super bullish on Chainlink. Not that it should matter. But this article here is titled Chainlink Weekend Price Prediction. Can Link Reclaim $20? Chainlink, a platform compatible with Ethereum, renowned for facilitating decentralized oracles, has been making significant progress in the cryptocurrency market. Currently, the native asset of the network, Link, is experiencing a trading range above $17 after being in a downtrend for a short period. According to latest data from CoinGecko, Link is up 1.5% in price in the last 24 hours and is trading at $17.82. With the market trading in green, here is our bullish price prediction for Link for the weekend. Listen, I'll say this. You saw what the articles that came out the other day about Chainlink possibly being able to fix the NYSE problem. You know how Berkshire Hathaway had that problem and everything plummeted. Because Chainlink is in the conversation for fixing problems like that, and it's a well-respected blockchain. At this point in time, it may be the most respected. I mean, they work with Swift. They work with the DTCC. I mean, who's more respected than Chainlink right now? Just my humble opinion. But because of that, sky's the limit for what Chainlink can do in the future. I'm looking at Chainlink as a long hold, Some things I don't look at as a long hold, but Chainlink is one of them. And it has all the potential in the world because of its connections and respect. It says here, Link has demonstrated a remarkable performance throughout the year, positioning itself as one of the top performing assets. In the past 30 days alone, this altcoin has recorded a 17.7% spike in its price, despite being 66.2% below its previous all-time high of $52.70. prospect of it reaching higher values is more attainable than ever before. All right, so Chainlink is looking very, very solid. It says cryptocurrency experts. Well, wait. Cryptocurrency experts at Chainlink have given their price prediction for Chainlink for the weekend. According to the analyst, Link is forecast to reach a minimum of $17.48 and a maximum of $18.60. Additionally, the average price of Link is expected to be in range of $18.14. All right, so I will be back in the evening with the usual video. Jam-packed with information that I hope you enjoy. I appreciate you being here. I hope you're having a great morning, and I will see you in the evening.